of my favorite tools to work with lead generation and even just in general on personal matters. If I have to copy and paste a lot of stuff, or I want to get a list from somewhere and I don't want to do it manually, I do it with Instant Data Scraper. It's a really cool tool. It's free, it's simple, and yet so powerful. So let me show you how to use it and where to get it. To install the tool, just Google Instant Data Scraper and follow the first link. It will open a Google Chrome extension, download it and install it in your Chrome. And once this is done, you will have this small Pokemon ball here. I call it like this. And basically the installation is done. Now you can proceed working with it. I will be using a Shopify website as an example. So this is a page of Shopify apps. And let's imagine I need all of them into my spreadsheet because I want to analyze them, compare, or whatever. So what I do, I just click on the Pokemon ball. It opens a new window. And there you go. You can get straight all this data into a table. And you get everything starting from the link, the name, everything what's described below. And the cool thing about this is, okay, we got the first page, and if I scroll down, I see that there are more pages. So it can actually parse this website, and for this, I have to locate the next button. Let's click here and click on next. Go back to the window and click on start crawling. Now let's see how it works. It opens the other page. And you can change the delay. For example, if the page takes long to load, then you might want to increase the delay. And now it grabs just the second page of results. And it goes on until it's done. So let's just stop crawling. And you can download this as a CSV or an Excel file. For me, if I use Google Sheets, it's much easier just to click somewhere here, Control A, and copy it. Then go to my Google Sheets and just insert everything. And you're done, and you can sort it, you can modify it, do whatever you want. It's really very powerful. Just keep in mind that sometimes it picks the wrong table and then you need to click on the button to pick another table, and it also won't work for very clever sites that block it. So if you go to Facebook, most likely it won't work, and then you have to figure out another way out how to work with it. Let me know if you find this useful.